Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to turn on secure bots in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead to your PCs and then search for system information. Here guys, what you need to do is search for secure boot and check if it is turned on. So for example, me, I have it off. Now, in order to fix that, what I need you to do guys is search for settings, and here simply you will search for recovery. So let's wait here, let's search for recovery if you find it here. If not, you can just search for it in here. Now let's search for recovery, and here it is. So recovery options, and basically what you'll have to do is click on advanced setup or start up, and basically what it will do is simply it will take you to that blue screen that shows up when you first install um the Windows, for example, or the system. So after that guys, I can't really click here in order to show you because the recording will stop. So basically what you'll have to do is click on troubleshoot, and then a page will be open with advanced options. So click on advanced option and then go to command prompt. You will find command prompts, startup prepare, startup settings, etc. So go to UFE firmware settings. So go to it, and that will open your settings. So after that, you will go to down below, which is gonna be something in below corner. Go to advanced mode. In the advanced mode guys, you will click on it, and then you will find a lot menu in the top. So go to advanced, and in advanced section you will find the secure boot or the PCHFW configuration. Click on it, and then you will find the secure boot enabled or disabled. So basically what you have to do is just make it enable, and that's it. Just after that your PC will be restarted and your secure boot will be on. So hey guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.